Ever wonder how banks turn your savings into more money for you? It's not magic, it's all in the math. Specifically, it's about how they calculate interest. And for a high-yield savings account like the one from BrioDirect, understanding this process is key to seeing your money grow. So, how exactly does BrioDirect calculate interest daily? The secret is something called the daily collected balance method. It's a method used by many financial institutions, but it's especially important to grasp when you're dealing with a high-yield account where every day counts. Here's how it works. BrioDirect looks at your collected balance at the end of each day. This isn't just the money you've deposited, it's the balance of all your funds that have officially cleared. They then take that daily balance and apply a daily periodic rate to it. Now, don't let the term daily periodic rate confuse you. It's simply the annual interest rate, divided by 365 days. The result of this daily calculation is the interest your account accrues for that specific day. Because this is happening every single day, the interest you earn today gets added to your balance, and tomorrow, you'll earn interest on that new, slightly larger balance. This is the power of compounding interest in action. And that's it. It's a simple, consistent process that ensures your money is always working for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.